Hey my youngsters. So today I am going to make you guys some chocolate dipped strawberry cupcakes the easy way. Now let's get into it. I'm going to start with this one box of perfectly moist strawberry supreme cupcakes or cake mix. Now you're not going to follow exactly what the box says, just follow my recipe. I'm going to add 4 eggs. One cup of room temperature milk, and those eggs were room temperature as well. Teaspoon of berry vanilla extract. You can use strawberry extract or vanilla extract, but this is a combo. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Now remember, oil gives moisture, butter gives flavor. So we're going to do a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Give that a little mix. Now, if y'all trust me, let's see this thing through. You're going to use 2 heaping tablespoons of Duke's mayo. And I'm sure you can use any type of mayo, but I'm using Duke's. Use 1 pack of freeze-dried strawberries, and this is a 0.8 ounce package. You just want to fold those in. Okay, and we want to use a 1/2 pack of this 3.03 ounce box of strawberry shake pudding, instant pudding. So just a 1/2 pack, because we're going to need the other half. Okay. Just mix that in. Ooh, smells so good. All right, these babies are ready to go in the cupcake pan. All right, so I have a little ice cream scooper here. You just want to put the even amount in each cup. And I do have the oven preheating to 350. So we have 24 cupcakes here. I'm going to put in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Once you put a toothpick in and comes out on the toothpick, you'll know they're done. Let's work on our filling. So we're going to use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Another teaspoon extract. And we're going to whip this till it's almost soft peaks, not fully yet. Okay, so it has thickened. Now I'm going to add the rest of that instant strawberry shake pudding. Nice and thick. Now we're going to place this in a piping bag. Let's make the frosting. We're going to use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to use a teaspoon of extract. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And you're going to just beat this until you get stiff peaks. That's what you want. I'm going to put this in a piping bag and we're going to go back to the cupcakes. Okay, youngsters, so because I want to have the ice cream effect, I added an additional cup of heavy whipping cream. And in total, there's 3 cups of heavy whipping cream and 5 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar. All right, with the 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. So the cupcakes are nice and cool. So what I'm going to do is a spoon and just press a hole in the center. Just like that. In all the cupcakes. Just gonna fill the cupcakes. Cupcakes are all filled. Just want to take the cupcakes and kind of prick it. And this is going to help the whipped cream adhere to the cupcakes. Just prick it a little bit. Now let's pipe the cupcakes. And I'm gonna sit these in the freezer for 30 minutes. And then I'll be back. We're gonna use 2 bottles of Magic Shell chocolate and pour it into a cup. Shake it well. Just gonna take your cupcake. Let the excess drip off. And repeat the process. I'll complete them and come back. And now for the taste test. Have a bite. I want a bite. These are so yummy. These are good. The whipped cream and the chocolate makes you think of a dipped ice cream cone. And then the strawberry with the filling. Oh, let me see. Perfect combination. These are so good. I can't wait for my family to try them. These are really delish. Okay, guys. This is another must try. Until next video. Bye.